There's nothing worse than a pooping emergency. When there's no bathroom in sight, panic sets in, and before you know it, you're about to shit yourself. Whether it's on a road trip, camping, or at a festival, we've all been there. Here's your guide to pooping outside during emergencies. And yes, I am speaking from experience. Most importantly, I highly recommend making your own code brown emergency kit. This should include a collapsible camping trowel or a small garden trowel, toilet paper, wipes, a travel bidet, hand sanitizer, and small opaque trash bags or Ziplocs. You can bring this with you on road trips, camping trips, or anywhere you travel. And don't worry, I'll also let you know what you can do when you don't have the kit handy later in this video. The most common and simplest technique for pooping outside is called the classic Cathole Technique. This requires you to dig a hole in the ground to do your business. The principle of leave no trace is very important here as well. This practice minimizes the impact of outdoor recreation on the environment and encourages people to enjoy the outdoors responsibly, leaving it as they found it. If you're a little more prepared, like when camping or hiking and you find yourself needing to poop outside, first, look for soft soil, natural cover like bushes, and low foot traffic. If you can, check the local rules and regulations, as some places require you to pack your waist out. Be sure not to pick a spot near the water. Always go at least 200 feet away to protect the waterways. Best practices include taking at least 70 to 100 steps in any direction from a camp or trail. If you do have your emergency pooping kit, use your trowel to dig a cat hole that's about 6 to 8 inches deep. If you can, try and position yourself to lean against a tree, over a log, or behind a rock. By the way, my name is Monica, your trusted bathroom bestie. For cleanup, toilet paper will do, but since I got my TUSHY travel bidet, pooping on the go has been so easy. TUSHY Travel is a handheld portable bidet that is collapsible, discreet, and comes in 8 colors. All you have to do is fill it up with water, flip it upside down, and squeeze. Gravity will do most of the work. Now, if you don't have toilet paper, wipes, or a travel bidet, you may want to get creative and look at what's around you. Flat stones, snow, smooth sticks, or leaves can work as well. Be sure to test on your skin first, as some plants may cause irritation. My friend even sacrificed her underwear and socks once. Just remember to pack them out and throw them away later. When you're done, cover and disguise the hole completely and avoid burying food waste or scented items so animals don't dig it up. Here are a few more situations you may find yourself in when needing to poop outside. If you're driving, pull over responsibly. Look for a secluded ditch, a thick clump of trees, or behind a large rock formation. Avoid open fields where you'll feel vulnerable. If you can dig a hole, dig about 6 to 8 inches deep and squat over it. When you're done, put all used toilet paper or wipes in your opaque trash bag and seal it up. If you use a travel bidet, even better. That way you won't have any trash to carry out. Stay tuned, as I will talk about what to do if you find yourself without toilet paper or wipes. Be sure to check out this video to learn how to use the TUSHY Travel. Lastly, fill the hole completely, then cover it with leaves, sticks, or dirt. If you can't dig a hole in the first place, you're required to carry your waste out in a sealed bag. If you're at a festival and there are no porta potties available or nearby restrooms, look for less trafficked areas away from main paths, behind vendor tents, in an overgrown natural area, or even near the perimeter fence if it offers good cover. Let me tell you, I learned all this the hard way, more than once. We know that pooping outside can feel awkward and exposing at first, but it does get easier. It is the most natural way to go, after all. And don't forget, everybody poops. If you want to be prepared for your next adventure outdoors or emergency poop away from home, consider getting the TUSHY Travel Portable Bidet and have a clean butt no matter where you are. TUSHY Travel comes in handy even if you aren't traveling. I have mine on hand if I'm visiting a friend who I know doesn't have a bidet. Get a special discount with the link in the description. We've got your backside, as always. Thanks for joining me, and see you next time.